Have you ever wondered, how does AI like ChatGPT talk just like a human? What's the secret behind this powerful brain of code? The answer is something called LLM, a large language model. Imagine a giant library with trillions of words. An LLM is like a super reader. It has read all those words and learned patterns, grammar, facts, just like you do at school. It doesn't just memorize. It understands the meaning, like how we know what comes next in a sentence. Let's say you type, "The sun rises in the model thinks and says east," because it has seen that sentence 1,000,000 times during training. LLMs don't think like humans. They use math, probabilities, and word connections to guess what should come next. Think of an LLM like a student. It was trained by giving it tons of text, then asking, "Can you guess the next word?" It made mistakes at first, but learned fast, like a genius student with super memory. Once trained, the LLM can write essays, answer questions, translate languages, and even write computer code, all by predicting the next word again and again. But wait, LLMs don't know everything. They sometimes make up answers. We call this hallucination. They have no feelings or thoughts. They just follow patterns. So always double-check what an AI says. LLMs are changing the world, from schools to space science. And guess what? You're using it right now by watching this video. If you loved this simple explanation, hit that like button, subscribe to DreamWorld Vision, and share this with someone curious about AI. Until next time, keep dreaming big and thinking deep.